Welcome students. Today's class for class 9 science. Matter in our surrounding. Students, everything in this universe is made up of material things which is called matter. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे सराउंडिंग में, हमारे आसपास चारों तरफ जो भी वस्तुएं दिखाई पड़ रही हैं, दैट्स मेड अप ऑफ मटेरियल्स, कुछ पदार्थों से मिलकर बनी हुई है. दैट इज नोन एज मैटर. स्टूडेंट्स, मैटर इज एनीथिंग विच ऑक्युपाई स्पेस and having mass, and we can examine and feel with our sense organ. यानी द्रव्य वे हैं जो जिसमें मास हो, द्रव्यमान हो, which occupy space, just that is duster, some weights, mass, and that's some space occupied your blackboards, your table, etc. And we can touch with our skin, hands, and we can see with our eyes, and we can sensitize with our nose, with our taste. That's all includes in the definition of matter. Students, each matter is collection of lot of teeny particles. Her matter, it means already told you, everything are our surrounding, हमारे आसपास जितनी भी वस्तुएं दिखाई पड़ रही हैं, वे सभी वस्तुएं मैटर ही हैं. And students, matter is collection of lot of teeny particles. Matter बना कैसे? That is collection of lot of teeny particles. So छोटे छोटे टीनी बहुत छोटे छोटे कणों से मिलकर बना है. Students, particles of matters are continuously moving. Only different, students, the particle, all the substance made up of teeny things, and these teeny things are teeny particles कुछ कण हैं. And students, all teeny particles continuously moving, and matter exists in three forms. Matter exists in three forms. Three forms of matter. That's already discussed, student, but I recall this once again. Solid, liquid, and gas. Gaseous state. Student, definitely these three are the part of matter. And once part plasma. New search. Plasma. Fourth state of matter. Now student, the particles, teeny particles of solid are very closely to pack each other. There is no gap, very minute gap, very little gap. The particle of matter cannot move frequently. स्वतंत्र रूप से इसके जो teeny particles हैं, कण, they cannot move here and there because of there is no vacant space, कोई खाली स्थान नहीं है. On the other hand, liquids, the teeny particle of liquid के कण, just liquid, students, milk, just sugar, salt solution, different example of liquids. That's the particle of liquids have some distance, they can move here and there. On other hand, students, in the gas, the particle of the teeny particle मतलब TINY, teeny particles, सूक्ष्म कण, teeny particle means TINY, that's very large distance, and they are free to move anywhere, go to anywhere. That's also teeny particle. Students, you can clarify it here with the help of these diagrams. सॉलिड में पार्टिकल बहुत क्लोज होते हैं, दैट्स नो गैप, सो सॉलिड है डेफिनिट शेप एंड साइज. Shape and size, volume. Liquid has definite volume, but not definite shape. Students, any liquid just like milk or water, it's regain its shape of the container. जिस बर्तन में रखेंगे उसके उसी के अनुरूप गिलास है, ग्लास के रूप में, थाली है, प्लेट है, डिश के रूप में they get converted. On other hand, in the case of gas, students, the intermolecular gaps between the teeny particle, दो teeny particle छोटे कणों के बीच में, there are a lot of distance, they have free move here and there, they have free move here and there. Now students, just with the help of these students definition, we can clarify, students. Gas has neither definite shape nor definite volume. Neither definite shape or definite volume. It means students, गैसों का न तो कोई निश्चित आकार है और न ही निश्चित आयतन है. स्टूडेंट्स, दे फ्लो ऑल डायरेक्शन, और गैसें हर दिशाओं में फ्लो कर सकती हैं, मूव कर सकती हैं. Intermolecular force between the gases is very large, and there is no force, there is no boundation between two particles. दो कणों के बीच में कोई बल नहीं लगता. They are free, and in the comparison to the solid, the intermolecular force between their neighbor teeny particles is very large, so they cannot move here and there. पड़ोस के सूक्ष्म कण के बीच में जो इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स है, स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी स्ट्रांग, एंड दीज टीनी पार्टिकल्स कैन नॉट मूव हियर एंड देयर. सो द सॉलिड हैव डेफिनिट शेप, definite size and definite volume. On other hand, students, liquid have definite volume but take the shape of container vessel. Volume definite है but but not definite shape. They have to take the shape of containing vessels. जिस बर्तन में रखे जाएंगे उसका ही शेप वो ग्रहण करेंगे. They have already slippery and flow from higher to lower level. That is property of liquid. Liquid flow higher to lower level. ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ ये फ्लोअर नेचर में है. Now students, we have taken some example to more clarify. Students, ice, sulfur, vapor, nitrogen, sugar, copper. Next one, air, salt, and plastic. Students, in this given substance, two group which has these substance which have strong high intermolecular force and with low intermolecular force, we have to group in two group with very high intermolecular force, very high intermolecular force or very low intermolecular force. You can see students, there is two category: high molecular force, and second one low intermolecular. Students, high intermolecular force means teeny particles, that is known as atoms, and that two or more atoms associate that get converted into molecule. And high molecular force, it means between two molecules the force is intensity of force is very high. Low intermolecular force, it means the molecules have low force, categorized under low force, and they can independently move here and there. Now let us students see we have categorized these substances just like ice, sulfur, vapor, nitrogen, sugar, copper, air, salt, and plastic between high intermolecular force and low intermolecular force. Number 1 and 2 category. Let's students, ice. Ice is categorized under ice, high molecular force. High molecular force. Next one is students, sugar. Sugar. Next one is students, copper. Sugar, ice, sugar, copper. They have high intermolecular force. Next students, salt and plastic. They have also solid. Salt and plastic. Salt and plastic. On the other hand, students, air, low intermolecular force, that's referred the substance air. Air has already very low intermolecular force, that is the molecules between air are frequently very free to move all around here and there. Next one is students, nitrogen. Nitrogen gas. Nitrogen. And sulfur vapor. Sulfur ki wasp. Vapor means wasp. These are some substance, and we have to classify the student, divide it into two groups: high intermolecular force and low intermolecular force. Ice, sugar, copper, salt, and plastic, they are referred as high intermolecular force, whereas low intermolecular force substance just air, nitrogen, sulfur, vapor. Now, classify students. Just with the help of some question, classified. What do you mean by diffusion? Students, diffusion, the particle of matter are always in a state of motion. They move to interact with other particle and distribute themselves equally in all available space. This intermixing of particles of two substances on their own is called diffusion. It means, students, we have already noticed particle of matter are always in state of motion, and when it is state of motion, it means they move one substance from other substance. This intermixing of particle from one substance to other substance, that is called diffusion. Students, for example, light अगरबत्ती, अगर हम कोई अगरबत्ती लाइट करते हैं, जलाते हैं, in our one corner of the room and stand to other corner, very soon you will feel smell of अगरबत्ती. कुछ ही सेकंड में आपको अगले कॉर्नर तक उसकी स्मेल अगरबत्ती की आएगी. दैट इज ड्यू टू द intermixing of the aroma of the agarbatti in our surrounding gases. This process is called diffusion. This is intermixing of the agarbatti's gas into gas. Another example, students, you can practice. You used any kinds of scent or other perfumes, and just within few minutes, that's spread out in other part of the room, and into the kitchen when you have to cook delicious dish. The smell of dish is spread out all over the kitchen and out the kitchen. These are the phenomena of diffusion. It means diffusion means in Hindi विसरण, विसरित हो जाना, मिक्सअप हो जाना, one substance to other substance. That's okay, students. We will continue in next class.